Welcome to Easy Keys. In today's video, I'm going to do what is called chaining multiple decorators. Like the name chaining, we all know what chaining is: adding more two or more things together. When I say chaining multiple decorators, they're like adding two or more decorators together. Now, previous video we did for that of adding with decorators taking an argument, and that of also how to call a decorator and how decorators work. This was our first part of our video where we try to give we modify the behavior of this function right here. Let me uncomment it out. This function right here, and we used this decorator that we wrote here to modify the behavior of this function by one. What do we do here? This our value that we gave it, we turned it to upper right here. And in the second part, we did what is called adding an argument to our decorator. Adding an argument to our function, our decorator, and then modifying the behavior. And then what our result will stand by is we gave our we wrote our function or method here right here, and it takes this should I say these words or these values, and then this is our argument that we specify, and we will wrap these decorators on top of it. It changed the behavior, and what did it do? It times it by 2. The output will give us hello Peter multiple times, and it was handled by this args and wags here. So in this we are going to do chaining of decorators, chaining multiple decorators together. I'm not going to write much since we have done a whole lot of things. So I'm just going to copy and edit some things here. So let me comment this out. I'm going to use our first and the second part of this decorator tutorial. So I'm going to use this guy. Let me take it. So let me bring it down here. So this is the first decorator I want to use, and the second one is our previous one. Okay, so let me uncomment it out. So let me take this and bring it down. Okay, so let me take out this decorator right here. So I don't want to make things complex, so I'm just going to remove these arguments right here. So our decorator is not going to take any argument. I can say hello Peter. It's complex, so I remove the argument, and then okay, let me remove this too. So decorator is not going to take any argument. Let me remove all these args and quags there. Args and quags. So this is basically similar to this. And how does chain decorators work? Just how to write two decorators, one first and then a second one. So let me write the first one, which is our uppercase decorator, and the second one is our repeater. Let's say repeat decorator. What is going to happen here? This uppercase is going to run first. It's going to modify the behavior of this function. The second one is this repeat decorator, which is talking about this guy. Is going to run second, and is going to modify the behavior of this. So let's see the output. Let me run it and let's see the output. As you can see here, we got hello Peter, hello Peter. The first, see what happened here. The first decorator, which was this guy that wrote here, what did he do to turn the result to an upper? And then the second one, what did he do to make it to times by 2? You can see the first one was to turn it to an upper. It got turned to an upper. The second one, it multiplied it by 2, because what we wrote here just hello Peter. First, initially going to turn it to upper hello Peter, and then this guy is going to second decorator is going to times it by 2. That's just basically what just happened here. Chaining multiple decorators together. Both of them, the first is going to be uppercase because we wrote uppercase here first, and second one is the repeat decorator, which is the repeat. If I was to write this repeat decorator, it's still going to be small because repeat is just going to repeat this thing 2 times because we wrote it here. If I say 6 times, so let's try with 6 times. Let's see what we get. You can see it goes 6 times. So if I change this to lower, let's see what's going to happen. You can see the first one change it to lower, and this second decorator times it 6 times. So let me change it back to up. I can see this is just basically how chaining of decorators, multiple decorators together. This is just basically how it works. So when you are chaining multiple decorators together, at times try to be careful at times, because if you are not careful, you might end up chaining what you don't want to chain, and it can mess up your code. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, all what I'm asking is just to hit the subscribe button. That is all. There's nothing else. You can also turn the notification bell, so anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first to see it. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.